Looking for bathtub installation and replacement in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to have reliable bathroom upgrades when you need them most. Our bathtub installation and replacement services are designed to help you transform your bathroom, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. Whether you're dealing with an outdated tub or need a quick replacement, our licensed plumbers provide fast, professional service that guarantees quality results. In Sherwood Park, we understand the unique needs of local homeowners, and our team is ready to deliver solutions tailored specifically to your space. With years of experience and a reputation for excellence, Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted name for bathtub installation and replacement services. Keep watching to learn more about why Kingstree Plumbing is the best choice for your bathtub installation and replacement in Sherwood Park.